That's the year I was born.
Editing Zoe here because why not and when not? Am I right? Yeah, I am right. So, this might seem like a very all over the place vlog, and it is, but I promise you it is in order, okay? It is. Also, I apologize for the awkward silence you're about to endure. IDK, man. I explain it later, kind of-ish. I don't know why I'm whispering. It's all old people here. They can't hear me. You feel like there'd be something in here, but there's not. It's empty. There's Jesus. There's white Jesus. Why is he white? Jesus wasn't white. He wouldn't have been white.
And all this stuff, they bought a trailer and put it inside the house.
Magazines. This is my ride, man.
And
It's fun.
Food. I mean, you got it stocked up with full of food and everything. Your neighbors are starving to
This
death.
isn't gonna work out
I said, you
very
don't
well.
think they ain't gonna come chicken?
This isn't gonna work out very well.
You could try to tell me this on that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Work on these, Karen. How's it looking? Looking better, ain't it? Yep. Hey. Yeah.
And I went in there to put the name and I found some. And that's what that is, it's a fill. And I wanted a piece of paper that was the same color.
Yeah.
Just gonna back up into my room. Hello. I'm just gonna do a little bit of a vloggy vlog today because I don't have anything else planned. So, what? Yo guys, what up? I'm at my grandma's church, a big part of the homecoming committee for them, and it's their 100th anniversary. So big deal. So, but I get this nice office space, which I've deemed the office of Zoe, the alien leader of the universe. It's my official title, guys. I'm supposed to be working on schoolwork, and I've done a little bit, but a lot of what I've done is work on my YouTube channel. I'm making thumbnails, which you can go check out. I don't know how many I'm actually gonna do thumbnails for, because it's a lot of work to do thumbnails, in case you didn't know. I'm adding tags to all of my videos, so that way people can search them and find them and love me, because I want more subscribers and more views, okay? I have to read chapter 3 of this bad boy. Not looking forward to that. I don't know how long chapter 3 is. Ooh, someone was highlighting in this book. Ooh, that's not good. You're not supposed to highlight in these things. I need to bookmark it. For some reason, there's literally a giant stack of these. I'll go show you. Put it here, and then, so that way I know where to read to. It's literally, I don't know what these are. I think these are all Senate pads, but it's literally, these are all, and then there's these. Might ask if I can steal some of them, because it's kind of cute. Yeah. I thought those were pool noodles at first, but they're just sheets of paper. Which makes more sense, because why would there be pool noodles in a church office? Fuzzy I'm gonna put them on. We're gonna see if I can do it without my hands. Yep. This is exactly what you think it is. A speed of me putting on slippers without my hands. I almost did use my hands. Then I was like, wait, no, gotta do it for the video. So I didn't. But yeah, so I finished. Here we go. Did I do it? I did it. Hey. What? I'm so cool. I really hope that this is like an okay angle and you can see me. Because if not, rip for the first like 2.5 minutes of this video. Welcome to my office. Wait. I've been expecting you. Wait, I can make it even better. Are you ready? Okay. I've been expecting you. Okay. My computer for some reason won't pull up Blackboard, which totally sucks. Because you know that's where all of my college stuff is. So I have this feeling that you can't see my head. So I'm just gonna like tilt you back and hope you can see my head. You might go play with the piano in a little bit because I've been sitting for a while. Go check out my thumbnails. Bye for now. There will be more of me. I promise. See, look, okay. I'm just gonna show you my thumbnails now. See, there's that one that I up. If you haven't watched that, I have the book right here actually. No focus. And then Tuggy, Vetus. It says 5. There's that. I haven't done that one yet, but and I've updated this. So instead of just saying my music channel, now it says check them out. So it has me and then my bestie, Sarah. You should go watch her videos. She's amazing. I'm trying to get her to start making more videos. She just does a bunch of covers and she's like the best. I love her. I've updated this, so that's the same. But then I have an uploads thing, so you can just go look at my uploads. I made a playlist of videos for like when you're feeling bad or just when you need cheering up. And there's an array of different things. So like there's some comedy, which is, it's great. Then there's just like some nice encouragement, some nice love. Obviously my 21 Pilots playlist, which has like 350 videos. And then creative playlist, so I have Veta, so if you want to go watch all 15 Veta videos, and then there's Vetus, which has 6 so far, because I'm doing great. Then my favorite originals, so there's actually some I need to go add that I've listened to, but I didn't make a playlist before now, and they're not mine, they're other people's originals. Then favorite covers, which 2 of them are Sarah's, and then some cool mashups, and then the best 21 Pilots interviews, then that, and then that, and then I think that might be almost it. Then my covers. So yeah, I don't know why I'm showing you all this. Squish, squish. That's the turtle's name is Francis. Just so you know. So we're going to go play piano. Inside. Gotta walk to the door to get to the doors to get to the piano. Da-da-da-da. Suddenly, that is cool. When did that room look like that? Oh, that's cool. It's got space and it's got a rainbow. Water machine. I can't talk today. As soon as I like walked past those doors and it got dark, I suddenly had Pretty Little Liars vibes because I had to switch. Because like you can ask Millicent, I literally, one of the things I complain about and that show the most is that they go alone places. After like 2 years of being tortured, they still will go alone to do things where they could die. I don't really feel like turning the camera so that way it's all good. So you're just gonna get the selfie camera mode, which is what I've been doing. else. That chair's really comfortable, by the way.